Hey, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about Purple Heart. Not that Purple Heart, but you have one. Thank you for your service. No, we're talking about this exotic, beautiful wood from our festive, spassive friends from Mexico to South America. We're talking, of course, Purple Heart. The species of wood is called amaranth or Peltogyne. It's dense. It is ranking high on the Jonker scale. And you're going to need that density with your pick when you're thrashing the red rocks with your purple. People have been making many things like skull, rings, cutting board, hardwood floors, and pens, which brings you here. So let's get to it. Hey, what's going on? So, I'm going to turn this piece of Purple Heart into a pen. So, let's get turning. Alright, so starting with the Purple Heart, I've got this piece, and I'm just measuring out the brass piping for the pin cap and body, and then I'll just be cutting it. So I'm leaving a little extra room just for saw blades and for when I'm turning the inner hole, so I got some wiggle room. So here we go. Please use safety glasses. Please wear a mask. You don't want to be breathing this stuff in. Come on, we know the rules. So there, we got that long bad boy, but that's gonna be where I'm gonna cut it on the saw. Let's go, where are we going? Over here. Again, can't stress this enough, safety, safety, safety. Looks so sketch. I'm taking the precautions I need. So now I'm measuring out the cap and the body on that blank. And let's cut it again. Got quiet. Alright, slice and dice. Alright. Purple Heart is a very dense wood, ranking pretty high on the Jonker scale. It's redonkulous, I know. But look at that hole! Look at it! We did it! Alright, so with Purple Heart, I did some research, and I found that you can use a blowtorch to really pull back out that purple. So after all the sawing, it kind of browns up, but sunlight brings it up, but also just on a quick fly, the blowtorch really draws back out that purple, and actually gave it a really cool marbling effect, because not, all the places got the proper, or whatever, the same amount of heat. So yeah, kind of marbled it up a little bit. So after each sanding pass, I also hit it with the torch again, just to keep drawing out the purple and make sure it's still hanging there. Oh, that's it. Look at her. Gorgeous. Ah, I love that purple heart. Highly recommend it. Hey, well, thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more. Let's do this. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care.